Hello, Columbus School, and welcome to your April Dojo Assembly on Honesty. Here are your winners.
Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Naimi. My student of the month for April is Dyla Kaitazovic. Dyla has made so much progress in the last 2 months. She's truly stepped up her game here in the classroom, and we couldn't be more proud of you, Dyla. Keep up the great work, honey.
Hi Columbus, it's Mr. Pagliaro here, and I'm going to announce our April Student of the Month winner for Honesty. This month, our winner is Melania Gutierrez. Melania, I'm so proud of you. You're always doing your work. You're always honest. You try your best, and you're such a great student. Keep up the great work.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Ronaldo, and my student of the month for April is Fatumo Osman. Congratulations, Fatumo.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith, and my student of the month for the month of April is Christopher Garcia Camano. Great job, Christopher. Hola, soy Mrs. Smith y el estudiante del mes para el mes de abril es Christopher Garcia Camano. Excelente trabajo, Christopher. Felicitaciones.
Hi, this is Mrs. Zelsdak, and my April winner is Lanaya Williams. Congratulations, Lanaya.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Alicia. My first grade dojo winner for the month of April is John Holt. Congratulations, John.
Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. DeMezzo, first grade teacher. My student of the month for the month of April is Nahana Moo. She's a wonderful little girl, and she always does her best. I'm so happy that I get to see her every day. Congratulations, Nahana. Good girl.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Menino, and my student of the month for April is Andreas Habdi. Congratulations, Andreas.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ramache. My student of the month of April is Camelia González. Congratulations, Camelia. Hola, soy la maestra Mrs. Ramache. Mi estudiante del mes de abril es Camelia González. Felicidades, Camelia.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Warmoth. I teach first grade. My student of the month is Ramir Shmoo. I chose Ramir because he's always participating, completing all of his work, and always trying his best. Congratulations, Ramir.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kalichi, second grade teacher, and I'd like to introduce my student of the month for the month of April. For the very first time, my first boy, and it's Kimani Hagans. What a wonderful job you've done, Kimani. You've put in so much effort and have made so many improvements. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work. Good job.
Hello, Columbus. This is Mrs. Edgett, and my student of the month winner for the month of April is Melina Maratovic. Congratulations, Melina. Keep up the great work. I'm so proud of you.
Hi, Columbus School. It's Mrs. Capero, second grade, with my dojo winner for the month of April, and it is Darian Breslick. Congratulations, Darian. Keep up the wonderful job, buddy.
Hi, this is Mrs. Thompson. I just want to say congratulations to April's Student of the Month. Her name is Cindy Sam. Congratulations, Cindy.
Good afternoon, Columbus School, and welcome to our April Dojo Assembly. My name is Miss Cranston. I teach third grade, and I'm very proud to announce our winner. Our winner is Santiago Camano. I'm so proud of you, Santiago. You have showed what it means to be our dojo winner. You really stepped it up, buddy. Very proud of you. And for all of you at home, working remote, keep up the good work. And all of you here under the big top, we are so happy to have everybody back together again. Keep working hard. We're almost through. Glad to see everybody.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. McEwen, a third grade teacher here at Columbus, and I'm here to announce my dojo winner for this month, Irvin Purick. Irvin is a good student. He's been doing excellent since returning to in-person learning. He's a hard worker, he's a good friend, and he's very honest. He exhibits a lot of the character traits, and I'm super proud of him. Congratulations, Irvin, and keep up the good work.
Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Waiter. My student of the month for April is Victoria Nugent. Congratulations, Victoria, and keep up the great work.
Hi, this is Mrs. Williams. I would like to announce our April Dojo winner for the theme of honesty. And our winner is Ian Perez de Villa. Congratulations, Ian. You are always honest with me with anything that I ask you. You're upfront and you're doing a great job this year. So keep it up and congratulations.
Good afternoon, Columbus. I am proud to present my Student of the Month. It is Averlyn Twee. And this month we did a little bit different. Instead of me choosing the Student of the Month, I let my students have a vote, and she was chosen by the majority of her classmates. And I'd have to agree with them because Averlyn is doing such a great job this year. She is very pleasant to be around, always has a smile on her face, willing to help whenever needed. Keeps on top of all of her work, and just a really great positive role model in our class. So congratulations, Averlyn.
Hi, I'm Ms. Murphy, fourth grade teacher, and I selected Karina for my Student of the Month for the month of April. And our character trait was perseverance. Karina, whether it was learning remotely or learning in class, always asks questions and keeps working at a problem until she gets it. And she just really puts in the effort 100% every single day. Good job, Karina.
Hi, everyone. It's Mrs. Jackson. I'd like to announce my Student of the Month for the month of April. Our winner for our class is Nyla Ajicic. Congratulations, Nyla. And we're so proud of you and all the wonderful work that you do. Thank you.
Hi, Columbus family, it's Mrs. Parada, and I'm here to announce my April Student of the Month winner. Congratulations to Kimberly Fan. I'm so proud of you, Kimberly. All year you've worked so hard online and in the classroom, but now having you every single day has just shown me what a remarkable, remarkable fourth grader you are. I'm so proud of how hard you work, the effort that you put into everything that you do. Congratulations, Kimberly, and keep up the great work.
Hello, Columbus family. Mrs. Bishop, grade 5, here to tell you who her Student of the Month is for April for the Dojo trait of honesty. My Student of the Month is Brendan Cook. Congratulations, Brendan. Thanks for always being your personal best, whether you are working remotely or in person. Have a great day, everybody.
Hi, Columbus. It's Mrs. Evelo. My Student of the Month for April is Kiera Gutierrez Rivera. Congratulations, Kiera, and keep up the great work.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mrs. DeLuke, and I would like to announce my Student of the Month for April and Honesty, and that student is Selena Suba. Selena was chosen because she just presents herself in such an honest way in everything she does. She's honest in the way she deals with her friends. She's honest in the way she deals with adults, and she's honest in the way she speaks and in her actions. And for those reasons and so many more, Selena is this month's Student of the Month. Congratulations, Selena. Good job.
Hello, this is Mrs. Schaefer. My Student of the Month for April is Sidi Muya. Keep up the great work, Sidi.
Hello, Columbus. This is Miss Tobias for 5th grade. I'd like to introduce my April Dojo winner, who is Ariana Torres Vasquez. And we are very, very proud of Ariana. She is representing the character trait of honesty. Ariana is always being very honest. She tells me if there's anything that she needs to help with for schoolwork. She completes her work on time. She participates. And honestly, Ariana is just a great role model that everyone is looking up to. Ariana has come a long way, and she's really tried her hardest this month. And I'm so proud of you, Ariana. So keep up the good work and keep being your best. Good job.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Frushi, and my April Student of the Month is Moo Plo So. Congrats, Moo. Keep up the excellent work.
Hello, Columbus. My student of the month is Ines Majovnik. He is a wonderful boy, always doing his work on time, showing up every day and trying his best. And I hope this puts a smile on his face.
Hi, my name is Miss Bataro, and the student of the month for April is Michael Toon. Good job, Michael. Keep up the great work.
Hi, everybody. Mr. Caruso here. For my April student of the month, I have a third grade boy in Mrs. Williams' class, Nathan Ryan. Nathan, you're outstanding. You're awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. Congratulations. I'll see you all next month.
Hi, this is Mrs. Heber Meredith, music teacher, and I am so pleased to announce my student of the month for the month of April, and she is Benin Kadeen. I have seen Benin throughout the past few years mature into a beautiful, brilliant, intelligent, but most of all, kind student. She is, I would say, one of the, if not the most exceptional student that I've met in a long time. So congratulations, Benin. It's well deserved. Bye-bye.
Hi, everyone. My student of the month for April is Andrea Pham from Mrs. Warmouth's class. April's theme was kindness, and Andrea has shown a lot of kindness towards her classmates. She's always sharing her crayons and being very kind and encouraging. So congratulations to you, Andrea.
My student of the month this month for library is Angelina Vasquez Rodriguez. I love having her in class, and she is a great student. Congratulations, Angelina.
Your theme for the month of May is loyalty. Loyalty is the state or quality or an instance of being loyal, faithfulness to commitments or obligations. Congratulations to all of our winners, and we'll see you next month.